Design a primary settling tank of circular type for treating a sewage of 12 mld. Assume suitable values of detention period and surface overflow rate. Here we have to design the primary settling tank of circular type. So first I will write the values, assumed value of the detention period and the surface overflow rate. Let us assume detention period is equal to TD as 2 hours. The value of detention period and detention period as per the CPH EO manual is 1.65 to 4 hours. You can assume any value of detention time in between 1.65 to 4 hours. Then surface overflow rate is equal to, let us assume surface overflow rate as 60 meter cube per meter square per day. Okay. The range for the surface overflow rate is in between 50 to 60 meter cube per meter square per day. Now the given is only the given quantity here is the flow rate. Q is given as 12 mld is equal to 12 into 10 raised to 6 liter per day is equal to 12 into 10 raised to 6 into liter, 1 liter is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube per day. Therefore the value of Q is 12 into 10 raised to 3 meter cube per day. Okay. Let us keep the value of flow rate in meter cube per day, because the surface overflow rate we have assumed in the meter cube per meter square per day. That's why here I have not converted the value of Q in meter cube per second. Now we have assumed the value of detention time TD is equal to 2 hours. Here the detention time, the formula for detention time is equal to volume upon flow rate or discharge, that is V by Q. Here the capital V is the volume, not velocity. Okay. So volume can be written as detention time TD into Q. Detention time is we have assumed as 2 hours into value of Q, we have converted it into meter cube per day. So let us convert it in meter cube per hour, 10 raised to 3 divided by 1 day is equal to 24 hours is equal to meter cube per hour. The value of Q in meter cube per hour is 12 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 24 meter cube per hour. After calculating this, you will get the value of volume as 10 meter, because 12 to the 24 divided by 24 will get cancelled, 10 raised to 3 meter cube. Volume is 10 raised to 3 meter cube. Now we have assumed the value of surface overflow rate SOR is equal to 60 meter cube per meter square per day, and the formula for SOR is equal to Q upon area. Surface overflow rate is equal to the ratio of the flow rate and area. So area is equal to Q upon SOR. Q value is 12 into 10 raised to 3 meter cube per day. Meter cube per day divided by SOR we have assumed as 60 meter cube per meter square per day. Okay, you will get, after solving this you will get the value of area as 200 meter square. Meter cube will get cancelled, per day will get cancelled, you will get the unit of area in meter square. Then here we have to design the sedimentation tank, primary settling tank of circular type. That's why this is the top view, or this is the top area. That's why we have to find the diameter of the settling tank. So area of circle is equal to pi by 4 into d square. D is the diameter and the area value is 200 meter square is equal to pi by 4 into d square. Therefore after solving this we will get the value of diameter as 15.96 meter, make it round of 16 meter. Okay, here we have found the value of the diameter of the settling tank. Diameter is equal to 16 meter. Now we have to find the depth. So volume is equal to area into depth. Therefore depth is equal to volume upon area. The value of volume is 10 meter cube volume is 10 meter cube, and the area is 200 meter square. The value 10 raised to 3 meter cube. Volume is 10 raised to 3 meter cube and area is 200 meter square. Therefore depth is equal to, after solving this you will get the value of depth as 5 meter. Then this is the 5 meter is the depth of the water. So provide 0.3 meter of freeboard and 1 meter of sludge depth. Therefore overall depth is equal to, overall depth will be the depth of water plus freeboard plus sludge depth. Therefore depth of water is 5 meter plus freeboard we have assumed 0.3 plus 1 meter. Therefore overall depth is equal to 6.3 meter. And here the diameter which we found 16 meter, and the as per CPHE manual the value for the diameter of primary sedimentation tank should be in between 12 to 30 meter. That's why our design is okay. So provide primary sedimentation tank or settling tank of diameter is equal to 16 meter and depth is equal to 6.3 meter. Thank you.